Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the crisis response game. First, you'll need to locate the official platform where the game is hosted. This game is designed to immerse you in realistic emergency situations, challenging your strategic thinking and resource allocation. We'll walk through the initial steps to ensure you can easily find and prepare to play this engaging simulation. To begin, open your web browser and navigate directly to the Crisis Response Game's official website. Once there, you'll typically find a prominent button, often labeled Play Now or Access Game, which will guide you to the next stage. Before proceeding, quickly verify that your computer or tablet meets the basic technical specifications for a smooth experience. After clicking the Access button, you'll likely be prompted to download a small game client or launcher. Once downloaded, run the installer file and carefully follow the on-screen instructions, agreeing to the terms and conditions. Finally, launch the game and complete any introductory tutorials to familiarize yourself with the interface and core mechanics before diving into your first crisis. Now that you're set up, begin with the game's introductory scenarios to grasp the fundamental mechanics and decision-making processes. Don't hesitate to experiment with various strategies and resource allocations to discover what works best in different crisis situations. Remember, practice is key to mastering the game's complexities. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to read anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.